Hello. Welcome to a new Rockbot class. Today we're going to learn how to apply filters to an Excel sheet. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is basically open up that Excel file. Let's open it. This is the Excel file we're going to work with now, and I'm going to show you the data it contains. There it opens, and we have this list. We have the first names, last names, address, and country. I want to bring in absolutely all the data that is from Argentina and from the United States. First, we're going to look for Argentina, and then after Argentina, the United States. Alright, how do I do that? Let's go to the Advanced Options module in Excel and look for the filter command. Here we're going to enter Set the Sheet, which by default is Sheet 1. Here, where the table starts, it begins in column A, and then which column are we going to filter? In this case, it's column D, right? Alright, here we enter Argentina, which is what we want to filter. Notice that since it's just one value, there's nothing else to it. And if I run it, it says Argentina and brings in all the data from Argentina. Alright, now, if I want to bring, for example, the ones from the United States, what I basically do is write United States, but the values go in single quotes, separated by a comma, see? And also, the values go inside brackets. So, when it's just one value, you don't need to use single quotes or brackets. Now, when there are two or more values, they're separated. First, you put them inside brackets and separate them with a comma, and each one gets single quotes. Notice that now I run it again and it brings up the ones from Argentina and the United States. Alright, I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you very much.